Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about labeling right triangles for trig. And this is a little different than Pythagorean theorem, but somewhat similar. So we always have three parts that we need to worry about with trig. Okay? Those are the opposite. We're ready. Okay. Opposite. Leg. Notice I put the word leg in there. Adjacent leg, and the hypotenuse. Okay. So we're going to call this rho, this A, and this H. And notice something very important. These two are legs. Okay? O and A are always going to be your legs. We're also going to have something that we call the reference angle. Okay? And reference angle. So hopefully that'll make a little bit more sense as we go along. So we're going to make this, try to make this at least a little smaller here. There we go. Fine. Back and I group it all. So that way I can have it up here if I'm using it. Okay? So let's look at an example. So let me draw a right triangle here. My computer's being slow. We have our right angle. So this is our, let's say that's 60 degrees. We always, the right angle is always there. We know that. The other angle is going to be our reference angle. And whatever other angle is given. If all of the angles are given, then we choose one. Okay, so just like labeling for Pythagorean theorem, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start and go across from the right angle. And that's going to be my hypotenuse. That doesn't change. So what that tells me then is the other two things are the legs. So one has to be opposite and one has to be adjacent. So if I look at this angle, notice this angle is made up of this line and this line. Okay? And the one across from the angle, or opposite, and is the opposite. The one that's part of the angle, okay, or what's left over, is A. So if I draw another example down here. Okay? Again, circle my reference angle. Okay? Step one, circle reference angle. Look for the right angle. Across from that is the hypotenuse. Okay? There's my reference angle. Across from that is opposite. What's left over is adjacent because it's part of that reference angle. Okay, so the steps I'm going to use. Number one, find and circle reference angle. Number two, label the hypotenuse. And remember that's across from the right angle. There. So after we label the hypotenuse, number three, we want to label the opposite. So that's across from the reference angle. And number four, label the adjacent. And whatever's left over. So find circle reference angle, label the hypotenuse, label the opposite, label the adjacent.